Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making Asian turkey lettuce cups. So we've got our wok heating over medium heat. It's come up to temp. So we have some bell pepper and some red onion that we're going to start to saute. Season this with a bunch of salt. Alright, in the meantime, we have some rice noodles that we just soaked in hot water for about 5 to 6 minutes or so. In this bowl here, we have lime juice, we have grated ginger, I'm just mixing that together. We have some lime zest that we're going to add to this as well. And teriyaki. Going to make a nice little sauce. Alright, gonna make some room so we can go in with our turkey. Bring the heat up just a little bit. Pinch of salt there. Fresh cracked black pepper. Alright, at this point we're just waiting for the turkey to brown. Okay, at this point our turkey is not getting brown, so we're going to add in some of our sauce. So just a little bit to dress with at the end. Alright, we're going to turn the heat all the way down. And pull this off of the heat entirely. Alright, so at this point, all there is to do is to allow this to cool considerably. You want to give it 5 or 10 minutes or so to cool, and then we'll assemble it. Basically, you just want a spoonful or two inside of a romaine lettuce leaf like this. You could either put the noodles in with it, or you could serve them on the side. Just dress it with a little bit of your sauce, and it's good to go. We have a little bit of fresh herbs that we'll go ahead and toss in now, just roughly chopped. Alright, so we will plate this up and show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.